Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I'm going to be sharing several super quick and simple home decor DIYs using Dollar Tree items. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started. For the first DIY, very simple, I'm just tracing the mirror onto a piece of cardboard and I'm just gonna cut it out. Next up, I'm going to be cutting the raffia I got from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to be hot gluing the raffia all over the edge of the cardboard. Now I'm going to hot glue the mirror in the center. The second DIY, I started off by spray painting the bucket with a black spray paint and I let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes. I ended up using two of these hula skirts and I'm just gonna be cutting them. Now, very simple, I'm just going to hot glue it on top of the bucket.
I wish I was above the center of attention, but I'm not. I wish I didn't have to give in to the pressure. I'm posting pictures, trying to be someone I'm not. It feels just like I'm lying to you.
And I'm going to have some leftover of the hula skirt and I'm just gonna cut it off and I'm gonna be using it for the next DIY.
See what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so special. I try to be myself. You do the same and we'll be alright. Cause this pressure's really bringing me down.
Like I said, I would have some leftover and I decided to use it for this DIY and I'm just hot gluing it on top of the jar.
Just be who I am, not care so much about first impressions.
Since the raffia looked a little too crazy, I decided to add some Mod Podge onto the jar.
Yeah, I got a feeling that it could be great. Skip all the acts, stop playing games. No more consenting, they run me, I won't be ashamed. Cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so special. I try to be myself. You do the same and we'll be alright.
I found this tray at the Dollar Tree and I thought just adding some spray paint, it would make it look very high end and it would be perfect to add some decorations on top, and honestly, it does not even look like it cost me $1.
I was above the center of attention, but I'm not. I wish I didn't have to give into the pressure. Oh, 'cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so special. I try to be myself. Do the same and we'll be alright.
Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and also got great ideas. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I would appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button, and that way you don't miss any of my weekly videos. Other than that, I hope y'all stay safe and God bless.
I wish I had the guts to start a conversation with someone. Just be who I am, not care so much about first impressions.